This is Matthew. He's let an Advil burst in his mouth because he refuses to swallow.
That's a gel-covered one.
And now he won't look at the camera because he's embarrassed.
Yes, he will.
Because he can't swallow. Let's see your mouth, Matthew.
Open your mouth. Let's see if it's gone.
Smile for YouTubers. Say hi. He doesn't even want ice cream.
He's willing to give that up.
I'm bribing him for that.
Take your pill, Matthew, or it's going on YouTube. And they'll hear you whining like a little puppy. Take it.
Don't do that.
Take it. Swallow.
Matthew.
All you have to do is swallow.
You ever sat on
No. Nearly.
Sit in your
him?
chair.
You need to do it before it gets too big. It's still in the
Well, actually, I have. Sort of.
Swallow, Matthew.
Let me see. Did you swallow it?
The pill's gone, Matthew. Swallow. You've got
no
about
reason-
5
you have no reason
seconds
not to
before we
swallow
get to
now.
the ice cream store. Swallow. Swallow, Matthew. Swallow, swallow, swallow.
You know, this can't be like a carrot.
Nope. We can't hold it in there all night.
Poor baby. Oh.
That better be going, not going anywhere but your mouth. I'm wiggling the phone.
Does it taste good, Matthew? Huh?
This could have been over with a long time ago.
Does it taste good? Huh?
Let me see.
Turn around.
Oh,
Let's
it
see.
is too.
Oh,
Oh, it
Manny,
took-
my hand's getting tired.
I put it in.
Okay. Tickle torture. You better swallow. You better swallow.
Daddy.
Oh, you better swallow. Sit down. Sit in the chair, Matthew.
Hurry up, Matthew, because I'm through now. We got one more block, and that's it.
All right.